Today is Saturday. The Saturday before Memorial Day weekend. Before Memorial Day, it's Memorial Day weekend. Whitney is 7 weeks old, and she looks so summery in her little romper. And she's so cute. It's just hard not to video her. She's so cute. Are you so cute? Mm-hmm. Are you going to talk to me more? So cute. She's got a little bit of hair. Not super long. She's got hair. Right, Whitney? She's got hair. Let's see those legs kick. So cute when she kicks her legs. Kick your little legs. They're so yummy. It's a beautiful day outside. It's nice and sunny. We're going to go outside today. Look, it's sunny and gorgeous outside. We're going to take Whitney outside later, right? Right, girl? Take her out to the pool.